chowing down on that thing. Whoa, look at that guy. Look at him fly across there. That's amazing.
No, look at that Florida. Look at that Florida. Mommy's coming to get us. Look at that Florida.
Conservation. We believed it was important that we protect our wildlife and preserve our natural world. This sense of motivation shaped his legacy, from animation to conservation, to the very adventures we offer here at Disney's Animal Kingdom each and every day. As we make our way to Rafiki's Planet Lunch, keep an eye out for some of the exciting wildlife we might encounter for here at Disney's Animal Kingdom are some of the very same animals that inspired animated classics like The Lion King, The Jungle Book, and more.
There's your rhino. That must be where they sleep. So maybe he's sick. Maybe he's sick that he's not out with me. Or the elephant has something here.
I always wonder how you get back here.
The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down! I'm supposed to be center stage! Who's driving this thing?
Simone! Glad you could make it. We can't have this celebration without you. Don't worry, friend. You'll give me time in the spotlight.
Oh, I just can't wait to begin. Look at me! I'm in a parade! And you're looking good! Love you, Pumbaa! What are you rule? There he is, the mighty Pachyderm! Let me hear your trumpet triumphant!
Hi, everybody. Hey, Pumbaa, Timon.
Hey everyone, look! It's the Lion King! Well, Simba, you are right on
It looks like we're all here. Let's go!
All together now. Of the century, be prepared for the murky sky. Meticulous planning, tenacity spanning, the game's denial is simply why I'll